Welcome back to Unskilled Kitchen. Yes. Man, I am so excited. I am... Did I say that every fucking episode? Shit. I gotta think of something else to say. But it's just naturally what comes out. I'm genuinely excited about this. What else can I say? I will not tell you what we're doing today. How about that? Let's start off with that. I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing today. I decided that we needed to do something a little different with today's episode. I had a episode in mind for today that I had previously filmed, and you know, I sat on it for a little bit, and I thought, you know, my episodes have been the same thing, right? It's always been, you know, this like thought process that I have, and I make these like, I guess, fusion foods or whatever you want to call it, right? And it's great, but it's putting a lot of stress on my creative thought process. So, we're gonna take a break. But not like a huge break. We're not gonna like just do something super normal, something that you can just see everywhere else, right? We're gonna still have a little twist, just a little twist. So we're not doing fusion food today. We're not doing some crazy wild ham and beef mixture hamburger patty. We're not doing anything like that today. So that is how we're starting this episode. I just told you what we're not doing today. And don't be bummed, okay? If you do like the, you know, fusion, weird creations that I make, you'll probably see it next week, honestly. It's not gone. I'm taking a break for a second. We're doing something a little different. Just stick around. You'll like it, I promise, really, seriously, just stick around. So what are we making today? I had enchiladas 2 weeks ago now, I think. Yeah, that must have been 2 weeks ago. I had enchiladas. Me and my lady were craving it, and we just were like, you know, let's make it. We didn't think we had everything needed to make enchilada sauce. So I was like, what? Let's just make an enchilada sauce using what we have, right? Boom. So that's what we're doing today. We're making beef enchiladas with a super simple, quick and easy enchilada sauce with stuff that you probably already have in your house, right? So you don't have to go out and buy additional things. This is just basic spices and yeah. But this is where it gets a little special because I haven't seen anyone do this. I'm adding a secret ingredient into the enchilada sauce. And the thought process behind why I chose the secret ingredient is because I love sweet and spicy things. Sweet and spicy sauce is amazing, like sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, right? It just goes so well together. It's so delicious. So, when I was making this enchilada sauce, I thought, how can I add some sweetness to this? Sure, you could just throw sugar in there, right? And there you go, you got your sweet and spicy mixture. No, I wanted something else. So I thought, and it's super quick and easy. Now I will warn you, this recipe entirety is not quick and easy. It takes a very long time. Very long time. I have the beef cooking right now, and it's been cooking for a little bit. And we still have a ways to go. So, yeah. I'll see you in like 2 hours. Tomato sauce. tortillas, cheese, beef used for beef stew, onion and garlic powder, flour, chili powder, cinnamon and cumin, salt, vegetable oil, and the secret ingredient. You can't say the label, so you don't know what it is. Oh my god, my fucking dumbass. It's chili powder, not paprika. So after you have salted your beef, you should have already heated up your pot with oil. In my case, I didn't because I just don't know how to plan. I guess that's really what it comes down to. So yeah, heat your pot in oil. No, you don't heat your pot in oil. Heat your oil in the pot, medium-high heat, and yeah, now we just kind of wait for it to do that. So you want it to kind of like brown up. See that? That's what you want. Another fine example. Yeah, see that? No, oh shit, it's getting my face on the autofocus. Now do you see it? It's still doing my face. Focus, there we go. Haha. Okay, we are boiling now, so we can go ahead and set that heat down so that way we could simmer, and then we cover it. And hold on one sec. I got the wrong lid. Shit. Much better. And it's gonna be like 3 hours. Yeah. You know when I said that this was a quick and easy beef enchilada recipe? I guess I kind of clickbaited you. I'm sorry. The enchilada sauce is quick and easy. All right, 3 hours later, here we are. We have drained the water out of the pot, and we have brought over just the beef stew meat, and I have cut off the burnt edges. Oh, how did it burn? That, you know, it's a good question. You know, water, when is applied to heat, it disappears. And although I was filling up water the first half of the 3 hours, I forgot to add some towards the end. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and we are going to chop this up finely, okay? All right, I don't know why I said finely chop. Just chop it or use the fork method and tear it apart. You want like little pieces, like, I don't know, like this. Yeah, like, yeah. That's what you want. And why do we have this out? Well, because we have finally got to the quick and easy part of this recipe. So let's dive in. Okay, the quick and easy enchilada sauce. Start off medium-high heat. Vegetable oil. Okay. Oh yeah, medium-high heat, that's right. Boom. Then, what was it again? Oh yeah. Chili powder, not paprika, chili powder. Let me make sure. Okay, yeah, we're good. You're gonna use quite a bit. Should be good. We're going to, you know, just kind of give it a nice little stir. And yeah, and then what we're gonna do is we will lower the heat. Grab our water. we have our tomato sauce. Okay. Oh gosh. I'm gonna dump that in. Our garlic powder. Sorry, my battery died. Where were we? We were at garlic powder, right? Yes. Okay, so we've done garlic powder. Cumin is next. Cinnamon. Not a lot of people put cinnamon in their enchilada sauce, but I do. Onion powder. This is next. Salt. Okay. Second to last ingredient. Flour. All right, perfect. Now, the last ingredient, the special ingredient, the secret ingredient. There we go. Here we are, 15 minutes later. See, I told you, quick and easy. And I guarantee it. I put a personal guarantee that this will be the best enchilada sauce you've ever had in your life. What am I wagering? I haven't thought about that. It's personal guarantee. I think that should be good enough. My reputation? I don't know. Let me know. What should I wager in? Let you make some bets. You know, go in the comments. Say, hey, Greg, if this isn't the best enchilada sauce I've ever had in my life, you have to quit Unskilled Kitchen. Or if this isn't the best enchilada sauce I've ever had in my life, you need to cook, I don't know, some like the wildest thing you've ever thought of, and probably grossest thing you've ever thought of, and I will eat it. Something like that. Make it interesting. I don't know. Bet me. Do it. Anyways, so we have our beef, and then we have our baking dish. Tortillas. Need this. Boom. And just like that, we have some somewhat equally placed enchiladas. And yeah, next step. So you take your sauce, the best sauce you'll ever have in your life, guaranteed, and you are going to pour it over the top. Oh yeah. Make sure it really gets on every single one. And get a little carried away. You know, let it swim. You know, really let it soak in there. Get crazy with it. Get saucy. Oh, dude, this smells so good. Oh, shit. Don't get too carried away. Look at that. Oh, God, yes. Cool. And then we stick it on in our oven and let magic happen. Oh yeah, here we are. Man, this looks delicious. Like seriously. Woo! And it smells so good too. Oh my goodness. You know, the last time I made this 2 weeks ago was with chicken. And I'm really excited to try it with the beef. I don't know what else to say. I mean, granted it wasn't like quick and easy. Like 3.5 hours later, actually almost 4 hours later with prepping and all that stuff. Yeah, 4 hours later, but hey, like the finished product, so worth it. Like, well, I mean, I haven't even tasted it yet, but look-wise, it's worth it. Yeah, the really only quick and easy part about this recipe is the enchilada sauce. And I mean, let's be honest, what's enchilada sauce without enchiladas? So, sorry. Let's dive in. Look at this bad boy. Okay. Oh, yeah. What? Yup. So good. Oh my god. That is the best enchilada sauce you'll ever have. It was good 2 weeks ago. It was even better now. I mean, I'm sorry guys. I made the best enchilada sauce ever. No one else can make a better enchilada sauce. I'm putting it out there. Like I said, it's a personal guarantee. So if you want to wager on anything, put it in the comments. Let me know. I'm down. Like it's that good. It's really that good. Man. Yeah, there is nothing better than this enchilada sauce. Oh my god. Seriously, like the enchilada sauce, you know what? Okay, you know how like we didn't do any kind of like fusion like today? We just kind of did something out of that box. I think I can find something to use this enchilada sauce with that isn't an enchilada. Little teaser for you. Anywho, like I said, personal guarantee, best enchilada sauce you'll ever have. Thank you again for supporting Unskilled Kitchen. Sorry that it was a late one today. Been doing some stuff. It's been a little busy this last couple weeks. Other than that, yeah, cheers.